सो गूगल का नया प्रोडक्ट विच इज स्टिच, नया तो क्या, पहले भी उन्होंने लॉन्च किया हुआ है, स्टिच, जिसपे आप डिजाइन कर सकते हो और कोड कर सकते हो, मतलब वाइब डिजाइन कर सकते हो। उसका नया वर्जन आ गया है एंड इट हैज ड्रॉप्ड लाइक यस्टरडे और टुडे, आई एम नॉट श्योर, यस्टरडे ड्रॉप हुआ है। आई एम ट्राइंग इट आउट टुडे ऑन दिस वीडियो। वी आर गोइंग टू गो थ्रू द प्लेटफॉर्म एज इन, बहुत ट्विटर पे हाइप होती है जब भी कुछ अराउंड डिजाइन इंजीनियरिंग या डिजाइन आता है, सब कहने लगते हैं डिजाइनर्स आर कुक्ड या डिजाइन इंजीनियर्स आर कुक्ड। TLDR, नथिंग इज कुक्ड, इट इज स्टिल वेरी बेसिक इन माय ओपिनियन, AI कोड ही लग रहा है। बट मेरा गोल ये नहीं है इस वीडियो के साथ। मेरा गोल ये है कि हाउ कैन आई यूज अ टूल विच हैज अ जेनरस फ्री टियर, उसको मैं कैसे यूज कर सकता हूं अपने वर्क फ्लो में टू माई एडवांटेज। ये मेरा गोल होता है किसी भी AI टूल के साथ। मेरा गोल उसको डिस करना नहीं है, मेरा गोल ये नहीं है कि वो बेकार है, कुक नहीं हो रहा है, ये है वो है, वट एवर। गोल इज टू गेट द मैक्सिमम आउट ऑफ द टूल। दैट इज वॉट वी आर गोइंग टू डू टुडे। देखते हैं कैसा परफॉर्म करता है, हाउ वी कैन एक्चुअली यूज इट टू आवर एडवांटेज। नाउ वी कैन मेक आवर लाइव्स easier with the new tools that are dropping almost every day these days. So this is the announcement tweet by Google. Meet the new Stitch, your vibe design partner. Now, पहले क्या होता था, Stitch पे you had to add a prompt and it will give you a design. Now you'll get an infinite canvas, a Node.js based canvas इन्होंने दे दिया है. With that, we can run multiple agents in parallel and we can draft through a lot of design ideas that we might have. वही हम करने जा रहे हैं। इसके 5 फीचर्स हैं। AI native canvas, जो कि मैंने आपको बताया था, उसका डेमो भी दूंगा अभी। Smarter design agent, they are claiming the results are better. Voice, I don't care much about it. Instant prototypes, again, not much of my interest. But this design systems and design.md. Now, design systems क्या होता है? This is what a design system is. You can pick your colors, you can pick your typography, you can change fonts and stuff. That is what we are going to do. Now, let's get right into the tool. Now, this is Stitch. I have tried it today itself. मैंने पहले भी इसको try किया हुआ है। आज try करते हैं। What we are trying to do here is, this is a template at Agenity. मैं इसका पॉप आउट करके I'll just copy this website and I'll give it to the AI. बट उससे पहले मैं कुछ बता देता हूँ कैसा चाहिए। Create a minimal template for a fictional AI agent company. Use the following colors and fonts. So color, I'll keep it as this one. ठीक है। Font would be inter variable. Buttons will have gradients from bottom to top. Use the same color provided above, or I'm assuming 3.0 Flash is the highest one. High quality designs in HTML without Gemini. With Gemini 3.0 Flash, export to coding agents. Cool. This is what we are going to use. इसके बाद I'll give it a copy. बट उससे पहले keep consistent spacing throughout. No more than 2 font weights. Font medium for headings, regular for everything else. Use font medium for emphasis also. Cool. What else do I want to tell it? Make it light mode only for now, and it is going to be a web page instead. Here's the copy of the website. Copy में मैं सिंपली कंट्रोल कंट्रोल सी कर दूंगा और ये मैंने डाल दिया है कॉपी। आई ऑल्सो से यूज सटल माइक्रो इंटरैक्शंस वेयर एवर रिक्वायर्ड, डोंट ओवरडू इट। अब ये मैंने कॉपी दी है वेबसाइट की बेसिकली और थोड़ा सा डिजाइन डायरेक्शन दे दिया है कि मेरे को कैसा चाहिए। उसके बाद विल गेट ऑन टू द कैनवस एंड विल स्टार्ट ट्वीकिंग, बट दिस इज व्हाट वी हैव। सो आई विल हिट एंटर. Let's see where it goes. All right, this is the canvas that they're talking about. Now, I'm not a huge fan of having this fancy light glow and dotted background. Dotted is fine, but ये glow जब आ जाता है, it kills the vibe of the platform. और एक चीज मेरे को और समझ में आई Stitch को यूज करने के बाद, it is a bit complicated on my end because one, there are a lot of things going on, so I'm not sure where to click anymore, and I'm not sure what I actually want to do when I visit this platform. So at least the design system it got correct. Tertiary color एक खुद लेके आया, मैंने नहीं दिया। प्राइमरी मैंने आई थिंक दे दिया था यहाँ से ही कलर पिकर से। हेडलाइन, बॉडी, लेबल, इट इज फाइन। बटन्स इन्होंने स्क्वायर रखे हैं। आई कुड हैव टोल्ड इट टू कीप rounded, but this is fine for now. Let's see what it is generating. Now this is nice. I can run agents in parallel. Now इसका काम जब यहाँ पे हो रहा है, I can maybe run a parallel agent if I want to do something else. So create an isometric illustration of a 3D box that I can reuse. Also make sure it's an SVG that I can configure and not an image. For reference, check the attached image. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to UI Eternity. I'll go to illustrations and maybe I'll scroll down to this one. ये बॉक्स मैं बोलूंगा कि मेरे को ये बॉक्स यहाँ दे दो, ठीक है। So I'll just attach an image. Check the attached image for reference. Keep the illustration SVG as close to the reference image as possible. While this is happening, I believe this should be in a new page क्योंकि यहाँ पे image इसने store कर लिया. This is just like Figma. It is like an infinite canvas. अगर आप TL Draw, Xcale Draw या Figma को आपको ने use करा है तो आपको पता होगा what I'm talking about here. This is what we have. I believe it is going to create a separate page and not meddle with this one. But let's see how it goes. उसके पहले हम देख लेते हैं कि हमारा डिजाइन कैसा. तो ठीक है, वन लुक्सिमा एक्सिम whatever that is, बट इसने डिजाइन सिस्टम अच्छा बनाया. दैट विल गिव इट बेसिक डिजाइन सिस्टम दैट यू कैन ट्वीक. एंड इसके बाद ये हमारे पास में नाउ आई बी ऑनेस्ट दिस लुक्स AI जनरेटेड. दिस इज नथिंग इज क्लोज टू व्हाट आई बिल्ट बिकॉज उसमें टाइम लगता है. दिस थिंग आई डोंट नो इफ इट इज अ मेसनरी ग्रेड बट इट लुक्स अनइवन. इट लुक्स distasteful. This looks generic. Again, this is proper Tailwind UI. When Tailwind UI came, if I show you an example, now it is Tailwind Plus, by the way. So I'll go to blogs, marketing, pricing sections. अगर आप देखोगे इसके पुराने वाले, see, ये भी still better है भाई. But you get the point, right? It is something similar which is spitting out. Again, it looks super AI generated. Maybe we can prompt it to use it better, but I'll just select this. And good thing about this is I can just select it and prompt it again. Now, this is a good feature. Designs are horrible if you ask me. This is totally looking AI generated. I'm not a huge fan of AI generated UI or design as such. बट इसमें भी मेरे को ये देखना है कि इसको मैं कैसे यूज कर सकता हूँ. दैट इज व्हाई आई आल्सो एडेड दिस आइसोमेट्रिक वाला चीज बिकॉज एवरी टाइम आई गो टू फिग्मा आई एम डिजाइनिंग दीज इलस्ट्रेशंस और आस्किंग एआई इनटू माय कोड इटसेल्फ. सो व्हाट इफ आई हैव अ टूल फॉर एग्जांपल पेपर या पेंसिल ये करके दे देता है. आई आस्क माय एआई एजेंट एट डिजाइन इट इन पेंसिल या पेपर एंड आई कैन ट्वीक इट देयर. तो अगर ऐसा कुछ कर सकता तो बढ़िया है. तो इसने ये आइसोमेट्रिक इलस्ट्रेशन दिया है विच इज बैड. इट इज डाउनराइट बैड. Make sure it resembles a 3D cube. जब तक ये हो रहा है वापस डिजाइन पे चलते हैं. Okay, button primary, secondary. I think this is for colors and not for anything else. For headings, I want tighter tracking. For boxes, I want box shadows. Use this box shadow. Now, I have a box shadow which I call box inset और वो मेरे Asternity पे है. So just copy this shadow. अगर आप देख पा रहे हो, this is what I'm trying to copy. I'm trying to copy this shadow. Use this shadow for boxes and wherever you need elevation. Right now, the design looks AI generated. Use typography and spacing properly. Make sure you have micro interactions. Set up for card icons on hover items. What else? ये करके देखते हैं. तब तक देखते हैं नीचे वाले का क्या हाल है. So this is what I tell you about parallel agents. You can work in parallel, which is good. You don't have to go back and forth. या infinite design canvas दे देता है. And you can ideate. Ideation के लिए I've got other tools, but I'm trying out Stitch and I'm trying to find value with it. अभी के लिए the only value that I find is, for example, इसको I can export as React. I'm not sure if I can do it here. View code, let's see. I can just copy this SVG, not this, not this. I can just copy this SVG from here and I can start tweaking. But that I can do in cursor as well. तो मेरे को इसकी क्या जरूरत है? अगर मेरे को यहाँ पे ही tweak करना है तो maybe I can have some sort of variant going on around here. तो मैं देखता हूँ variants है क्या. This is also fine. I'll say get rid of the dashed lines here. Cool. Let's see if I have a motion playground somewhere. Oh, we don't. I think we'll have to spin up again a YouTube brain rot file. So I'll go here. I want to demonstrate कि भाई है क्या, but git checkout ये previous video का चल रहा है and I'll call it git checkout -b testing stitch and I can push this branch and I'll go to components. I'll zoom in a bit. Components stitch.tsx rafc stitch go to page. अरे क्या है, ठीक है. Stitch आ गया. I'll just quickly spin up a server and I'll go probably here. Localhost 3000. See what do we have here? Stitch दिख रहा है हमें. Now I have this illustration which is pretty neat in my opinion. मतलब 2-3 step में मिल गया. I can maybe tweak it a bit, but उससे पहले I'll just copy this code, view code, and I'll go here and I'll copy this SVG. I'll come here and paste this right over here. I don't need this. Okay, don't need this. No need, no need, no need, no need, no need. See, already tailwind. Tailwind ना होता तो इनका क्या होता भाई, क्या दिक्कत है इसके? I know the wrong with it, but U box, okay. So this is what we have, and this is the SVG that we got. अभी यार इसमें क्या दिक्कत है यार? Stroke width, okay. Width, width, line join. Okay, this is the isometric that we have. Now, if you want to animate, I want to show you how you can do it first, but इनका ये जुगाड़ कर लें भाई। ये बहुत दर्द देता है भाई। अगर आपको कोई पता है ना कि ये कर दे ऑटोमेटिकली तो कमेंट करके बताना भाई। बाय द वे, डू लाइक दिस वीडियो भाई, लाइक कर दो। थैंक यू सो मच। एंड दिस इज व्हाट वी हैव। आई क्लोज दिस अप अ बिट हियर। यू सी दिस। नाउ इफ आई रिमूव दिस तो आपको दिखेगा लेफ्ट वाला हट गया, ठीक है। आई जस्ट वांट टू फाइंड द टॉप वन हियर, राइट। This is again this is what, okay, this is the one. So I'll call it top path. What I can do here is now I can just do use client, import motion from motion react. I'll call it motion.svg, and I'll do while hover animate initial, and I'll convert this to a motion path. And I'll do here variants animate y minus 40 and transition duration 0.5 ease in out, and initial can be y would be 0. So now once I go here and refresh, you see I hover and it animates. Now this can be better. I generally don't like this. So this is fine, right? So ये illustration जो है, generally what happens is I draw it in Figma or I ask AI to draw it for me, but it takes a lot of tweaking. I think these parts are good with Stitch. I can, create 3 variants of it. Okay, this is nice. This looks decent, but it is somewhere, just trying to do something, but इस पे आते हैं एक बारी के लिए. I want to try a few variations of it. Can I do it? Like variants, custom, number of options 3, explore. Okay, try different variants for, I'll zoom in it a bit. Zoom in हो ही नहीं रहा है. Try different variants for corner radiuses, and I'll ask it to generate variants. Now this is going to give me 3 variants as promised. All right, this is awesome. So एक बारी में 3 वेरिएंट मिल रहे हैं. It is good for me to actually explore. That is what I like about this tool. Not with the entire landing page. That is horrendous. I'll be very honest. It is not up to the mark. This is what generic AI models do. They give you a very generic looking things. That is why you have skill files. That is why UI.sh is coming up, so that it looks better. अभी ये जो है, I'll have to train my AI to actually use shadows, जो कि मैंने इसको बोला था करने के लिए, वो इसने outer पे use करी है, but I don't see it following instructions that good. For example, this is elevated a bit, might be one of the reasons or one of the animations, but I don't like it at all. The full one shot landing page तो नहीं हो रहा है ऐसा कुछ. But if you want to create smaller little hero sections, let's try if we can do it, or let's try creating with prompts at least. And this is good. See, this is shit. This is decent. I can do something with it. This is decent. This is looking like ours only. But again, bottom पे थोड़ा tweaking मांग रहा है, वो मैं कोड में भी कर सकता हूँ. But you get the point, right? आपको 3-4 चीजें मिल गई हैं एक्सपेरिमेंट करने के लिए. I think you can do it, and this makes it a lot easier. This canvas is great actually. I don't have to go back and forth. Every ideation that I want to do can happen over here, which is like sort of Figma with AI. I haven't used Figma AI yet, but I'm yet to use it. But this canvas is something that I like about it. Awesome. I'll give it one more try with the hero section. So let's go to UI Sanity and go to blocks. Let's go to hero sections. Let's pick a hero section. Okay, let's pick this one only. Okay. यहाँ पे I'll call it create a new hero section with the following details. Left aligned big H1 text, some description, CTA buttons. In the background is a shader of lines, concentric or lines are wider at the end, narrow at the beginning. Use blue color and varying opacities. That means darker to lighter. Make it move slowly in the background. Now, इसमें AI की दिक्कत नहीं है, इसमें हमारी दिक्कत है. How do you actually prompt this background into existence? How do you do it? You can't. So that is what I also wanted to talk about. For example, I'll just copy this link ठीक है, and I'll go here. Below the CTA is an image inside of a browser looking component. Use this image for preview, and this is the image that this is going to use. Awesome. BG should be white. Use a navbar also. Here's the copy of the page. Now my prompt is really bad, so I can't really blame AI here. अगर मेरा prompt on point होता तो थोड़ा शायद blame कर देता, और यही दिक्कत बहुत सारे लोगों के साथ भी आती है. They start blaming AI when their prompt is really really bad. बट मैं यहाँ देख रहा हूँ इसको prompt मैंने बोला भी है अगर shadow यूज करने के लिए, तो वो नहीं कर रहा है. इस पे क्यों नहीं की shadow यूज, क्यों मेरे दिमाग ये मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा. But this is what it is. Now let's wait for the latest component that we have. Okay, I prompted it, right? So where is it actually? I'll design the new hero section. Okay, but where? Okay, it is generating here. देखते हैं कैसा बना रहा. This is nice. मतलब decent, I would say. Navbar के लिए I'm thinking to realize it is just picking one thing. I think it has to do something with the design system which it has over here. Maybe I want to tweak it. If I modify, edit, okay, okay, corner radius भी दे रखी है. Not here. I want to go back. This is generally nice direction, I would say. Image मैंने इसको बोला था यूज करना, इसने नहीं करी, इसने खुद ही कुछ बना दिया. और शेडर तो इसने पूरा खा लिया. आई कैंट सी इट. आई एम नॉट श्योर अगर इसमें एनिमेशन चलते हैं नहीं चलते हैं, या इज इट जस्ट फॉर डिजाइनिंग. अगर शेडर का मेरे को थोड़ा एग्जांपल भी दे देता विद एन इमेज ऑल्सो तो भी वो भी चल जाता. बट दिस लुक्स डिसेंट. आई मीन फ्यू ऑफ द डिटेलिंग्स आर मिसिंग. फॉर एग्जांपल इसके ब्राउजर विंडो इसने दी है, दे आर नॉट प्लेइंग एट ऑल विद द बॉक्स शैडोज. यहाँ पे सिर्फ इमेज प्लग कर दी, मैंने दी थी वही ले लेता. बट दिस इज डिसेंट, आई वुड से. दिस इज नॉट बैड. Navbar is bad, but again you'll have to prompt the AI to do a lot of this because AI in itself is not going to pick it up. So yeah, this was Stitch by. There are a few things that I like about this. First, design system thing that you saw is good. It is decent. At least it'll help you get your designs consistent. Second, you can play around with SVGs. You can have 3 to 4 variants. Variants acha hai because I can, get my ideas into 3 to 4 variations that I can pull into the code again eventually and start tweaking them. Third is parallelism. I can spin up 3 to 4 agents or many, I don't know what's the upper limit, or many agents in parallel and do a lot of those tasks. But आपने अगर आप ये देखा होगा, I actually get confused on what do I actually want to get done with this platform because everything is everywhere. So it is a bit confusing for me. And the final point that I didn't like about this is the actual design, which was the core of the product. Design looks AI generated. Now they're saying they've improved the design. I don't think how it is different from the already existing AI designs that we used to get earlier. अभी भी डिजाइन मेरे को ऐसा ही लग रहा है, ऐसा कुछ ब्रेक थ्रू नहीं है, ऐसा कुछ बहुत अच्छा डिजाइन स्पिट नहीं करके दे रहा है. इट इज जेनेरिक AI decent looking landing which you already see with all of these models. Now Gemini का जो खुद का मॉडल है, which was I tried, I think Gemini Pro कुछ टाइम पहले, it was really good at UI. I don't know if they've used it here or not, or maybe it is my prompt, I don't know, but I'm using it as a regular user and I'm not really happy with the designs, but I'm sure they'll improve. What I want to take away from this video is that I can still use this product to cater to some of my already existing pain points like creating SVGs and stuff and importing it and animating it. मैंने आपको करके दिखाया कैसे करना. You can do it too. Now there can be many more such examples. Maybe you want to create an icon set of your own. You can define by 16 pixel का icon बनाना है और ऐसे icons चाहिए, and you can tweak those icons so you have your own custom icons in place. That is also what I wanted to do. I think that is a crazy product idea, like create custom icons with AI, feed it with tabular icons, use icons, phosphor icons, and create an AI library or icon library, or you can prompt the icons to existence when it has a lot of already existing icons. That is a good idea. Something which is unique, something maybe which can be duotone, but uske liye you'll have to pull in a lot of icons. Project idea, why do it? Make this Node.js type canvas. You have phosphor icons. Take an icon, take inspiration from that, tweak it with your own twist. Maybe अगर आपके पास solid icon है, maybe you want it to be duotone. So maybe you can do something with that. ये एक अच्छा project idea हो सकता है. I might give it a try myself. But this was it for the video. That was my review of Stitch. Thank you so much for watching this video. We are also doing a giveaway. Just we are giving away 3 to 5 t-shirts. The criteria to join is simple. Like this video, comment onto this video, and subscribe to the channel. And we are going to pick 3 to 5 people randomly. Thank you so much for watching this video. तब तक के लिए भाई जय हिंद. बहुत काम करो, बहुत मेहनत करो. मैं जा रहा हूँ धुरंधर देखने. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलता हूँ भाई. See you.